Hello, today we will guide you through how to build Sub Zaps in Zapier. Sub Zaps are reusable mini automations that help you keep complex workflows clean, modular, and easier to maintain. Think of them as building blocks you can call from multiple zaps to avoid repeating the same logic. Start by going to the Zapier homepage. From here, click Create to begin setting up a new workflow. In the Creation panel, choose Zaps, so you're working with a standard, multi-step automation that can call or return data to and from a sub-zap. Next, click on Trigger. The trigger is the event that starts everything. For this example, select Slack as the trigger app. After clicking Slack, you may be prompted to connect your workspace and choose a trigger event, like a new message in a specific channel. Use test data if prompted, so Zapier can pull sample information and help you map fields later. With the trigger in place, click on Action to define what happens after Slack fires. In the App Search field, enter Airtable, then click Airtable. This sets Airtable as your action app, which is great for logging messages, saving structured records, or centralizing data. If you haven't connected Airtable before, follow the on-screen prompts and pick the base and table you want to use. Mapping a few key fields now will make testing easier. Now click the plus sign to add another step. In the App Search, type Sub Zap so you can locate the Sub Zap by Zapier app. Click on Sub Zap to add it to your workflow. This is where you orchestrate how data moves between your main zap and the reusable sub process. When the Sub Zap step opens, click Choose an event. From the available options, select Return from a sub zap. This event defines what the sub zap will send back to the parent zap once it finishes its work. It's useful when you've built a separate sub zap that performs a task, like formatting text, enriching data, or looking up records, and you want to capture its output here. Configure the fields you expect to receive so they're clearly labeled and easy to map into later steps. Before wrapping up, use Zapier's built-in testing to confirm each step passes data correctly, from Slack to Airtable, and then back via the Sub Zap return. Name your zap and sub zap clearly, add notes to fields where helpful, and ensure anyone on your team has the right app permissions. When everything looks good, turn your zap on and you're ready to scale this pattern across more workflows.